Sumbut Menteri Rangbak ke Jala Meghalaya ubri pek Ketenangan Urban Affairs Ulaang bak Sorkar Jala kala pyntip sika Ïing Kashari halor ke jingbam pdiang ke Harijan Panchayat Committee ya ke blueprint ban penkenria ya ki beriu na them yo maulong. Ulaang bagi jing dawa jong ke HPC ki dei ki ba omla ban pdiang da Sorkar kum ke jingpan arpaulak ya ke wei pa ke wei ke long Ïing.
No point. We just inform them the Harjans they didn't accept our proposal. Simple is that only. And you know very well what is the proposal also. Why I should repeat again and again?
So there is no change in the proposal of the government.
They didn't accept it, our blueprint. Now provide. You know very well again and again. So they didn't accept. So we informed the court. They didn't accept our proposal. So what is the next step? Let the court decide because court is giving them time for them and for us also.
So is there any scope for negotiation?
Obviously, they come. They are welcome. No problem. So as of today, there is no signal from them. We will place to the court everything.
So now you will wait for the court.
Yeah, because court instruct them submit the report and submit the reply. They have replied. So we inform them that they have replied this way. So now the court will do next step. What the court decides, we will take a court as a government. So that point is not accepted by us. Plain speaking.
So whatever they are proposing, government.
Simple. They ask 2,000 square feet land and 20 each. For the 20 lakh each for them, who will give them this?
That is not acceptable.
No, not acceptable by us.
So what is the plan of the government? What is?
No, you know very well. We already planned clearly. We'll construct. We'll give them a place which is under the European one. As they demand, even them also before they request the same thing.
They are saying nothing is ready.
It's not ready, but let them accept first and we'll construct. No, how will construct?